Once again, thanks for joining us. Holly Shields here with Kalkine TV. Let's take a look at the top 5 ASX stocks for the month of March. Amidst rising bond yields and inflation concerns, market players are zooming their lens over select growth players with considerable operational and financial footing. Tech companies tend to be under investors' radar given the demand pool for their unique products and services. These stocks have gained popularity during the pandemic when major companies were offering slow or stagnated returns. Here's a look at 5 growth stocks for the month of March. Number 1. Pushpay Holdings Limited. Pushpay has been an investor favorite over the past few months. It is the provider of a donor management system for donations to church. The company's donor management system includes donor tools, finance tools, and a custom community app. The New Zealand-based company has remained resilient throughout the pandemic due to its digital setup. The company's interim report for FY21 showed an increase of 53% in the company's operating revenue to reach $65.6 million, while the company's cash flow increased substantially by 203% to reach $27 million. The company's EBITDA guidance for FY21 is between $54 million and $58 million, higher than its previous expectations of $50 million to $54 million. Pushpay's share price has increased by over 6.6% over the past 1 month. Despite monetary dips, Pushpay shares continue to grow exponentially. PPH shares are currently trading at 1.675 Australian. Number 2. Cash Rewards. Founded in 2014, Cash Rewards is an Australian cashback reward program which enables the user to gain a cashback on select purchases through online or in-store retailers. The fintech firm saw an impeccable start to the stock market through its IPO debut in December of 2020. Within a few minutes of ASX listing, the company saw share price increase over 15.6%. However, trade slowed down following an impeccable start. This hold was temporary as the company has been steadily growing over the past month. The company reported an addition of 117,000 new members during the December quarter owing to its increased marketing investments. The cash and cash equivalents held with the company as of the 31st of December 2020 was $39.5 million with no debt. CRW shares are currently trading at 1.65 Australian. Number 3. Kodan Limited. Kodan is a supplier as well as manufacturer of communications, metal detection, and mining technology. The company saw its share price going to record highs during the last week following the release of the company's half-year results. Kodan reported 14% increase in sales to reach a record of $194 million for 6 months, ending on the 31st of December 2020. The contributing factor was an increase in sales of its metal detection product. Consequently, Kodan's share price surged 7.5% following the news and reached 14 Australian per share. CDA shares are currently trading at 15.07 Australian. Number 4. A2 Milk Company Limited. A2 Milk is a dairy company headquartered in New Zealand. The company remained immune to China-Australia trade complications. Thus, the company's Daigou trade channel remained resilient throughout the previous year, despite certain disruptions in it. The Daigou trade network is centered at bringing new products purchased from local supermarkets and then bringing them back to China, where a fee would be collected. The company's annual report for FY20 showed a 32.8% increase in company revenue to 1.73 billion New Zealand dollars. The EBITDA for the period was up 32.9% to reach 649.7 million New Zealand dollars. A2 Milk shares are currently trading at 9.16 Australian. Number 5, Zipco Limited. Another fintech firm on the list is Zipco, which gained popularity in the buy now, pay later industry. The company's share price reached an all-time high of $13.92 per share on the 16th of February. Zipco's strong financial performance during the December quarter was behind this increase. The transaction volume increased 103% over the previous quarter to reach 1.6 billion Australian. Quarterly revenue went up 88% to reach 102 million during Q2 FY21. The company's US operations roped in new customers to increase the existing customer base by 180%, reaching 3.2 million. This phenomenal success in the US market is expected to land the company on the US stock exchange soon. The considerable growth of BNPL sector has enabled Zipco to expand into other markets like the UK, with the possibility of landing into Europe or Asia too. Z1P shares are currently trading at 11.02 Australian. Once again, thanks for tuning in.